When it comes to woodworking, accurate measurements are essential. The slightest miscalculation can derail projects both large and small. That's why, along with tools like a saw or a chisel, the square is one of the woodworker's most important items. Creating a perfect right angle is imperative to ensure that every corner holds tightly and fits securely, and having one of the best woodworking squares in your arsenal is the best way to do this. A woodworking square helps mark edges and guarantees the precision of angles. There are several choices available when it comes to squares for woodworking, so choosing the right one requires some research. Many products are available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of customer reviews, and compiled a list of the best woodworking squares from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Swanson Speed Square. The Swanson Speed Square is the original Speed Square, and it's never a bad idea to go with a classic. This single tool plays up to 5 roles for a woodworker. This includes a tri-square, a miter square, a saw guide, a line scriber, and a protractor. The square has 1 4-inch notches, and it includes a slot for an adjustable locking pin. This square should last a lifetime, one reviewer pointed out, also adding that you will probably lose it before it breaks. Another reviewer who identified themselves as a woodworker wrote that they use this square to do my 90 and 45-degree cuts on the fly. Number 2. Irwin Tools Stainless Steel Combination Square. The Irwin Tools Combination Square, featuring a 12-inch blade length, is meticulously crafted for robustness and precise readings, making it an excellent choice for various applications. Crafted with a stainless steel blade and a zinc anvil, it ensures effortless marking and accurate measurement transfer. The measurements engraved on its surface are not only easily discernible, but also resistant to fading over time. Customers have particularly commended the inclusion of both metric and imperial units, catering to diverse measurement needs. One satisfied customer described it as a remarkable combo square for any workshop, noting its impeccable accuracy when compared to their machinist squares. They also appreciated the sturdiness of the ruler component, constructed from thicker steel than typical options, which helps prevent warping and denting, enhancing its longevity and reliability. Number 3. Swanson Framing Wizard. This compact square is a convenient tool with multiple possible functions. The Swanson Framing Wizard can act as a framing square, a miter square, a tri-square, a saw guide, and an angle finder. The square folds up for easy portability and has an easily adjustable hinged mechanism to bring it back to a perfect 90-degree angle if it loses precision. Totally replaces a 2-foot square, speed square, and angle finder, one reviewer explained. Plus, with it folding into itself, it's much easier using the long end to butt up to your lumber without having to hold the angle like you do on a normal square. Absolutely awesome. Number 4. Johnson's Johnny Square. The Johnson's Johnny Square stands out as an exceptional choice for individuals seeking a woodworking square that prioritizes clarity and ease of use. Engineered with precision, this Johnson level square features a glare-preventing glaze and meticulously etched markings on its scales, ensuring optimal visibility for accurate readings. Its edges, crafted through CNC machining, boast exceptional accuracy, with an added thick edge designed to serve as a reliable saw guide, further enhancing its utility. Crafted from solid aluminum, this square guarantees durability, providing assurance of long-lasting performance. Praising its quality and versatility, one satisfied customer remarked, "This domestically produced square represents outstanding value at a remarkably reasonable price. A recommendation I offer without hesitation. Its robust construction and multifunctionality make it a suitable choice for nearly anyone involved in woodworking endeavors." Number 5. iGaging Double Square Set. With a package that includes 2 units in a single purchase, the iGaging Double Square Set is a practical and economical choice. There are 2 different double square sizes included in the purchase, as well as a padded storage case. The hardened, satin chrome blades on the 2 squares ensure extra durability. The larger square includes a bubble level for added convenience. Customers find these double squares easy to read, and that they're great value for the cost. I've been using these in my woodshop for 2 years now, and I really like them, commented one reviewer. You could pay more for other combo tri-square tools, but for the money, these can't be beat. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information if you want to know the product price. Please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.